Hello. So I'm still on the journey to my first wholesale customer or order. So I created these little special folders to take to them. I'll insert a video of them now. Okay, so I'm gonna hand these out right now. I am outside of the boba company. They have like a bounce house out. I didn't see any other vendors here, but I do see the bounce house. So I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna give them the sample soap bar. So I've included my honey and oatmeal and my lavender bliss because those are my two best sellers. So I've included those as samples. I have my business card in here and all of my information. So hopefully this goes well. Then we'll be headed over to the Jamaican restaurant to do the same thing. So I just turned that into the owner. I met her. She seems cool. She said basically next time they have an event that I'll be able to attend. So I feel like that's a step in the direction of a wholesale place. I did buy cinnamon rolls from messybunsvb.com. It looks like it's going to be magically delicious, all homemade. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Now we're going to head out to the next place. Okay, so I just went into the Jamaican restaurant and the owner was not there. So I gave them my packet because we had already called earlier this morning and they were saying they don't know when the owner will be in. They just know that he just kind of pops in. So I figured I'd just drop off my sample soap bars and my packets for him. And I'm really hoping that he agrees to something with me because he has a business in Melbourne, which is another city that I frequent to do markets. I do markets once a month there. And so I literally just had someone contact me on my website and ask me when was I going to be in the Melbourne area because he bought body oil from me, my hemp glow oil. Y'all check that out. He bought some of the oil and he really liked it and he's running low. So he wanted to know when would I be in the area so that he could get more. And it would be nice to tell him, hey, just go to such and such store or establishment to get it. But I can't do that. So this Jamaican restaurant is here where I am and it's also in Melbourne. So if I can strike a deal with him here, then since, you know, he's the owner in Melbourne, I'll be able to strike a deal there so that people in that area will have access to my products without me physically being there. So this could be really good, guys. I'm really hoping that he calls and says he wants to do a deal. So fingers crossed, guys. What I am going to do right now is I saw like some boutique shops, like, you know, those little like shopping plazas. I saw two on my way here and it looks like there's a lot of stores there, but I don't know what the stores are. So I figured I'd drive by and see if there's anything in those plazas that may be interested in having soap there. So I figured I'll go check them out. So that's what I'll do now, guys. Okay, I'm back. So that was on a Monday. It's been like 6 days. It's been almost a week since I dropped off those samples and I have not gotten a call back. At least from the Jamaican place. I didn't really expect the call from the boba tea place because they told me they would just let me know when they have their next market. So I think I'm gonna do like a follow-up with the Jamaican place sometime next week because I was really hoping that they would call. And I don't know if maybe like, because the phone number that I have on my card is a Google number and it rings to my phone. But the thing is that if you're not saved in my phone, I don't answer it. So that could obviously create a problem because he's obviously going to call from a number that's not saved in my phone. But I was just hoping that if he does call, he will leave a voicemail. So I really don't know. But I figure I'll just go and kind of follow up. I got to be persistent because I really would like to have his business, at least so I can like put products in both of the stores because I really want those two locations. But I'm also going to be looking into other boutiques. I did drive through those boutiques that I was talking about at the shopping plazas, but none of them were like places that would be soap friendly. There were like little furniture stores. There was like some nail tech places, but nothing that I saw that would kind of go into the natural flow of wanting natural products in there. So I didn't do that, but I am going to be looking to some other prospects because listen, we are on the road to our first wholesale. So I'll keep you guys posted. Now, black pants are out. Bye bye, guys.